News. Current information or reports about events and developments. Example: I read the news every morning.
I read the news every morning.
She's always up to date with news.
She's always up to date with news.
Bad news travels quickly, they say.
Bad news travels quickly, they say.
He's a journalist reporting live news.
He's a journalist reporting live news.
News stories influence public opinion.
News stories influence public opinion.
The news coverage was comprehensive.
The news coverage was comprehensive.
They discuss world news daily.
They discuss world news daily.
News anchors are trusted sources.
News anchors are trusted sources.
News is essential for staying informed.
News is essential for staying informed.
Radio. A wireless communication medium that broadcasts audio content. Example: I listen to the radio daily.
I listen to the radio daily.
The radio played my favorite song.
The radio played my favorite song.
They broadcast news on the radio.
They broadcast news on the radio.
I heard about it on radio.
I heard about it on radio.
She turned up the radio volume.
She turned up the radio volume.
My car has a built-in radio.
My car has a built-in radio.
He hosted a popular radio program.
He hosted a popular radio program.
People call in to radio shows.
People call in to radio shows.
The radio crackled with static noise.
The radio crackled with static noise.
I found the station on radio.
I found the station on radio.
TV program. Television content including shows, series, and broadcasts. Example: I watch a TV program tonight.
I watch a TV program tonight.
They broadcast a new TV program.
They broadcast a new TV program.
TV programs air on different channels.
TV programs air on different channels.
I recorded a TV program yesterday.
I recorded a TV program yesterday.
The TV program had high ratings.
The TV program had high ratings.
I missed my favorite TV program.
I missed my favorite TV program.
TV program hosts interview celebrities.
TV program hosts interview celebrities.
TV programs reflect diverse cultures.
TV programs reflect diverse cultures.
Can you recommend a TV program?
Can you recommend a TV program?
Newspapers. Printed publications providing daily or periodic news and information. Example: I read newspapers daily.
I read newspapers daily.
She enjoys reading newspapers.
She enjoys reading newspapers.
Newspapers report global events.
Newspapers report global events.
Newspapers inform and entertain.
Newspapers inform and entertain.
I buy newspapers regularly.
I buy newspapers regularly.
Newspapers deliver timely news.
Newspapers deliver timely news.
People trust newspapers often.
People trust newspapers often.
We subscribe to newspapers.
We subscribe to newspapers.
Newspapers keep me informed.
Newspapers keep me informed.
Newspapers inform the public.
Newspapers inform the public.
Magazines. Periodical publications containing articles, images, and features on various topics. Example: I love reading fashion magazines.
I love reading fashion magazines.
She collects vintage fashion magazines.
She collects vintage fashion magazines.
I find recipes in cooking magazines.
I find recipes in cooking magazines.
Magazines cover various interests.
Magazines cover various interests.
Magazines inspire my creativity.
Magazines inspire my creativity.
Magazines keep us informed daily.
Magazines keep us informed daily.
They read magazines for relaxation.
They read magazines for relaxation.
I browse magazines at bookstores.
I browse magazines at bookstores.
Magazines showcase art and culture.
Magazines showcase art and culture.
Magazines enrich our lives daily.
Magazines enrich our lives daily.
Did you like the video? Comment down below. See you in the next video.